upload and import got us 99% of all our pictures. But as we found in review, we were missing some students and that staff member wants a retake. So what do? The answer is add individual image. Before we upload, a quick tip on retakes. Photos taken on a cell phone rarely match the lighting and background of your professional portraits. They often stick out on the final page. We recommend using an app like Canva or Adobe Express to remove the background and place the student on a gray background that matches your professional photos. It makes a huge difference. From your phone, open the file. Click on that number in the top corner so we can see the multiple pages and duplicate that first page. Open one page, click on the plus sign, select Upload from Device, and select the camera. Take the headshot as desired. Once you are happy with the image, select OK. With the image still selected, remove background. Reposition and adjust as needed. You will want to rename this page to match the person's first name, last name, section, and teacher. Click to select. Select your image and type the information. If the information is not listed, you can always click New and add it. Let's save and close on this one.